हमें अपनी रक्षा जरूरतों के लिए विदेशों पर निर्भरता को कम से कम करते जाना है।
Giving a major boost to the Make in India initiative and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the helicopter manufacturing facility of the Defence Public Sector Undertaking in Tumkuru, Karnataka. This is the largest manufacturing facility of its kind. The Greenfield Helicopter Factory has been planned in a way so as to become a one-stop solution for all helicopter requirements in the country. Speaking at the event, PM Modi said, Karnataka has always been the land of innovation and technology. The manufacturing of drones and Tejas aircrafts is already being done in the state. We are slowly becoming self-dependent as assault rifles, aircraft carriers and fighter jets are being manufactured by India. He also went ahead and ripped apart the opposition for spreading misinformation about the Rafale deal.
So, the strategy of the government, weaken HAL, don't give them money, destroy India's strategic capability and give the gift to Anil Ambani. That is the plan. And that is what we are trying to thwart.
यही HAL है जिसे बहाना बनाकर हमारी सरकार पर तरह तरह के झूठे आरोप लगाए गए। यही HAL है जिसका नाम लेकर लोगों को भड़काने की साजिश रची गई, लोगों को उकसाया गया, पार्लियामेंट के घंटे से घंटे तबाह कर दिए।
Speaking about the newly inaugurated manufacturing facility, it is a dedicated greenfield factory aimed at fulfilling all helicopter requirements in the country with enhanced capacity and ecosystem. This is Asia's largest manufacturing facility and will initially produce only light utility helicopters. Over a period of 20 years, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited plans to produce more than 1,000 helicopters weighing between 3 to 15 tons, with a total business turnover of Rs 4 lakh crores and will create about 6,000 jobs. In the future, manufacturing operations in the facility will be expanded to light combat helicopters and Indian multi-role helicopters, as well as repair and maintenance of light utility helicopters, light combat helicopters, civil advanced light helicopters, and Indian multi-role helicopters. The factory holds the capacity to export civil light utility helicopters in the near future. In addition to meeting all its helicopter requirements indigenously, this facility will enable India in attaining self-reliance in helicopter design, development, and manufacture in India. Its proximity with other HAL manufacturing units in Bangalore will boost aerospace manufacturing ecosystem in the region, in addition to supporting skill infrastructure development. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Make in India has broken all glass ceilings. The last 8 years have seen India take giant strides towards achieving self-reliance in defense manufacturing, including at land, sea, aerospace, and cybersecurity. The recent budget announcements have reinforced the roots that will transform India into a developed country by 2047.